Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, guys. Selamat datang di channel kami. Kali ini kami menayangkan sebuah latihan lomba pidato di SMA Negeri 1 Pangandaran dengan menggunakan bahasa Inggris, guys. Selamat menyaksikan.
Hi. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How are you today? I hope you're feeling well. On this lovely occasion, I am Aditya Arya from Senior High School 1, Pangandaran. Today, I'd like to deliver my speech about the social phenomena that is happening right now. Does anyone know what is it?
No.
It is we should wear a mask, social distancing, reducing our mobilities, and so on. Does anyone catch it? Yes, it is a pandemic and how it changes our lives. And even I'm going to explain how to handle it to be better for our lives. But first, I would like to say my favorite quote that start to take an action for a change in the future. If it is not us, who would be doing it? First of all, I'd like to thank to Allah Subhanahu wa Taala for always giving us blessings, mercies, and a lot of things for us. And also, I would love to thank to Erlangga Kabisa or Benedict Erlangga for making this English speech competition. Let's jump into the topic. How does a pandemic change our lives? A COVID-19 virus that is from Wuhan province in China, which is literally spreading all around the world, there is nobody think it will be happen and causing all of these horrible effects. Now, did you realize it's almost been 2 years since the pandemic happened? Does anyone know what is a pandemic means? So, pandemic is a disease outbreak that is spreading at some continents or even all around the world, and causing which is literally spreading at some people. Some people are gratefully recover from it, and some people are dying sadly. Therefore, how does the pandemic change our life? First, we are a student who are always going to school to learn various things, knowledge, playing around, and socializing with friends. Now, school is changed to be an online school. In my opinion, the efficiency of the student to understand the material is lower than the other usual learning one, right? And also, some school activities such as extracurricular, break ceremony on Monday morning are cancelled. The second is mental health challenges. According to those who surveyed a mental health survey in the US, especially 18 to 30 years old, the common mental health issues from this pandemic, such as stress, anxiety, depression, and even loneliness. Third, economic slide. Some people desperately need a home to live, a job to work, and even a food to eat due to this COVID-19 pandemic. Can you imagine how sad it is? Fourth,
That Earth has been a staple for us, don't we? But did you know that we've also been suffering a lot on this planet? Yes. Before we begin, I'd like to introduce myself. Hello, judges and audience. I'm Aska Salsabila from Senior High School 1 Pangandaran. And today, we will talk about why should humans explore Mars. I think we all know that as humans, we have curiosity. As human beings, we do explore things that we haven't explored yet. And that's what makes us dominant on the planet. But there are actually more important reasons of why should humans explore Mars. When we were in the Ice Age, we made fire and fur coats and did what we could do to survive. We have survived very well. But still, there are threats to humans and planet Earth, such as cosmic impacts, catastrophic climate change, and natural pandemics. Cosmic impacts. There are things circling the solar system that can impact the Earth. For example, an object that hit the Earth in 2013 had an energy of 13 nuclear weapons. By exploring and going to Mars, we can protect our species, and it can also help the overpopulation issue. Have you ever heard of the catastrophic climate change?
no.
Well, that's the one that made Mars what it is today. In its early history, Mars was a very Earth-like planet. They both formed 4.6 billion years ago. They were so similar. It had an atmosphere, it had lakes, it had rivers, and even it had an ocean. But the catastrophic climate change changed it all. As you can see, it's inhospitable now, it has the surface, and it has a very thin atmosphere. What caused this? Yet, we still don't know what caused this to happen on Mars. And can this even happen on Earth in the future? How can we prevent it? Well, by analyzing Mars, we can find the causes and prevent it from happening on Earth. As I have mentioned before, it was once a warm and wet planet. It had liquid water on its surface for more than 1 billion years, which is about 5 times as long as it took life to appear on Earth. If the theory is true, that life is a natural development from chemistry, life should have appeared on Mars. It went extinct.